In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store, cannot connect the page, couldn't be loaded, iPhone, iPad, iOS 18. If you're seeing cannot connect or the page couldn't be loaded in the App Store, don't worry. We'll walk through reliable fixes on iPhone and iPad running iOS 18, starting with simple checks and moving to more thorough solutions. Follow along and try the App Store after each step. First, make sure your internet connection is actually working. Open settings and confirm you're connected to Wi-Fi or that mobile data is turned on. If you're on Wi-Fi, look for a strong signal. If you're on cellular, ensure you have reception. Now open Safari and try loading any website. If web pages don't load, fix your network first. This might include reconnecting to Wi-Fi or moving to a spot with better signal. If you're on public Wi-Fi that requires a sign-in, opening a web page often triggers the login screen. Next, update your device software. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If an update is available, download and install the latest iOS version. Keep your device on Wi-Fi and ensure you have enough battery or plug into power. Many App Store connection issues are resolved by software updates, and your device will restart when the update completes. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily. Go back to Settings, tap VPN, and disconnect any active connection. Some VPNs route traffic in ways that block Apple's servers or cause regional mismatches. After disconnecting, reopen the App Store and see if it loads properly. If the problem continues, reset your network settings. In Settings, go to General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, choose Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode if prompted and confirm. This clears saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configurations, but it doesn't delete your personal data. After the reset and automatic restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and then try the App Store again. Restart your iPhone or iPad once more for good measure. A fresh boot can clear temporary glitches. After restarting, open the App Store and check whether the error is gone. If the issue still persists, contact Apple Support. Open Safari, search for Apple Support, and open the official website. Select your device, scroll down and tap Start, then search for your App Store issue. Scroll down and tap Chat to connect with an Apple Support agent. Briefly explain the exact message you're seeing, and they'll walk you through tailored troubleshooting to resolve it. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials.